Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you Fusion 360 exercise. Like this part. Without wasting time, let's start it. We will sketch this part with width 130mm and height 100mm with a semicircle at the end. First step, click Create Sketch. Click this plane, active line, click this point left the line with length 130mm, point up the line, make 20mm, turn right, make line length is 50mm, point up the line, make line length is 80mm, turn right, make line length is 80mm. And click this point. Active extrude, make direction symmetry. Click wall length, make distance 80mm. OK. Click Create Sketch, click this face, active circle, click this point to this point, active line, click this point to this point, active trim, cut this line, active extrude, click this circle, make extend type is to object, click this face, OK. And now we will make this part. Click Create Sketch, click this plane, active line, click this point left the line with line length 25mm, click this point and this point, active sketch dimension, click this point and this point, make distance 48mm. Drag this line, active sketch dimension again, click this line and this line, make distance 20mm. Active extrude, make distance 10mm. Make direction symmetric, click wall length, make operation join. OK. Now we will sketch this part. Click Create Sketch, click this face, active rectangle, click this point to this point, active create dimension, make this line length 40mm, this line length 48mm, click this line and this line, make distance 20mm. Active extrude, click this rectangle, make a portion cut, make distance to object, click this face, OK. Click Create Sketch, click this face, active circle, click this point, make diameter circle is 40mm. Active extrude, click this circle, make operation cut, make extend type all. OK. Click create sketch, click this face, active rectangle, click this point to this point, active sketch dimension, make this line length 20mm, this line length 38mm, click this line and this line, make distance 24mm, active circle, active sketch dimension, click this edge and click this circle, make distance 40mm, make circle diameter 48mm, click this circle and click this edge, make distance 20mm, active line, click this point to this point, point right the line, point up the line, click this point, make this line vertical, make this line and this circle tangent, active trim, cut this line, active extrude, click this sketch, make operation cut, make extend type to object, click this face, OK. See, the part is ready. Make it so easy.
This is not okay.
Sorry about this potato computer. And I want to change color this part. Right click body, click operation, click edit, choose this color, close. I think it's the end of tutorial. I hope you enjoy it and like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.